Hi, and welcome to our 34th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I'm from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today, we're going to be reviewing an option on Excel called Smart Art. So let's take a look. This is a chart, just in case you're just joining us, that I devised just to show you a little bit as to how you can set up an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, to do the Smart Art, I've already done some here for other classes, and I just want to give you an idea of what it looks like. Take a look at the accounting. Take a look down here where it says text, and then you can type in the box your classes or whatever it is that you're teaching or telling them about. And this is another format down here, which would be 4 squares. Okay? There are dozens and dozens of different designs, and I'm going to show you that in just a moment. So if you go up here to the home area on the top left corner, you'll see that this is your main ribbon, and this is your quick access tools, okay, which is basically the things that you use most out of your ribbon. Okay, now what we want to do is click on Insert, okay, and you can see the ribbon changes when you do that, okay. What you want to do is illustrations, this area right here, okay. This icon right here, if you look at this, it says Insert a Smart Art Graphic, okay. Smart Art graphics range from graphical lists and process diagrams to more complete graphics such as Venn diagrams and organizational charts. If we click on that, it's going to show us all the different types of Smart Art graphics that they can put in and the different colors. All you have to do is type in the word whatever you want it to be, whatever your title is. If you go down over to the left and click on the list, you'll see that the graphics have changed. Process, okay, those have all changed. Cycle, okay, and then the rest as you see. Okay, over what I'm going to do, and then again, sorry, you would click on your color and just click on OK, and it'll pop in your graphic. For instance, let's say we're going to do that, and we're going to do it, and we're kind of running out of room. Let's move our chart down just a little bit. Okay. Let's say we're going to put it over here. Okay, so Insert, Illustrations, Smart Art Graphic. Let's do something small because we only have a little bit of space. Okay, and we're going to do it in red. Okay? Okay, it didn't come out red, but, and that's okay because you know what? Oopsie, things happen. Okay, so there we go. So we put that one over there. So that's just kind of how that works. Again, Insert, Smart Art Graphic, and then whatever graphic you want and the color that you want. Okay? And that's how Smart Art Graphic works. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that, let me go back to this chart right here. Thank you so much for your patience. Yeah, I need to get some coffee this morning. Oh, kind of skipped that task. Anyways, there are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are our #1 concern, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now, and in the future, to help your growth and customize a package that fits perfectly for your needs. This will allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business needs. This will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to say thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Thanks so much. Bye now.